Welcome back, guys. So we're back on the 72 Nova. It's the wife's car that I'm building for her. As you've seen in previous videos, if you haven't. I bought this car for my wife. Restoring it for her. 72 Nova. It was a pile. I mean, it really was. Not beyond my workability. I'm more than capable of doing it. So I'm just letting you know that I'm getting the upper and lower cowl welded in, and the outer cowl boxes, and fitment of the windshield. And so please follow along, and if you have any questions or comments, please send me a question or a comment. I'll answer every one of them. Alrighty, well, you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Thank you. Show you how good this side laid down as well. Laid down pretty good. So we'll smooth that down when we're putting it together. But it's doing pretty good. Everything's all epoxy coated inside, even inside the boxes. So stay tuned. We'll move on forward with it. Alright, well, it's all welded together, so no turning back now. I'll clean up the rest of the welds and stuff later time, put some seam sealer in it. And the gaps weren't this good when the car was built in 1972 from Chevrolet. So everything's spot on. It's 14 1/4 inches from your fender here bolt hole to this top bolt hole. It's 14 1/4 inches. So just so you guys know, from there to there is 14 1/4. So on both sides. So that's how you tell, make sure your upper and lower cowl are square in your outer boxes. So, but everything's all welded up. Everything fits nice and snug, nice and clean. So we'll be moving on to the firewall. That'll be a next video. So firewall and then the floor pan. So if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and I'll get one out whenever I can. I'm a working man, father, so whenever I have a chance, I'll get out here and work on the car, and I'll post them up, and that way you get notified when I get them out here. Alrighty, you have a great night, and hope you enjoy them. Thank you.